ESPN. I'm Landon Gray.
And I'm Cooper Kleckman.
Our first topic today is how does math factor into playing basketball?
Most people don't realize that math plays an important role in basketball. It can affect the chances of the ball getting into the basket.
Really? I never thought about that.
It's actually quite simple. I interviewed a mathematician yesterday, and he said that he used the quadratic formula to make all of his shots.
That's negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a.
That's exactly what he told me, along with the quadratic equation. We'll see an example from Professor Hoy from Stanford University after the break. And we're back. Landon is with Professor Hoy, about to go over the quadratic formula.
I am here with Dr. Hoy, and he's going to explain the quadratic formula.
How do you do today, sir? Where's my marker? First, we got our quadratic equation, which is y equals x squared plus 3x minus 2. Now here we got our quadratic formula, which helps us determine the x-intercepts, or your roots. It is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. You got to plug in these terms for their corresponding letters. For example, b is 3 and c is negative 2. So I plugged in all these equations and did all the math, but I don't want you to listen to me do it because I didn't even want to do it in the first place. And I came up with these two equations right here. Now, 17 is not a perfect square, so we cannot go any further. But if the number was a perfect square like 16, then you could solve it, and it would be negative 3 plus 4 over 2 and negative 3 minus 4 over 2, and you would get the exact x-intercepts.
How does this help you with basketball?
So here, I drew a little picture for you. This is Jimothy the cricket, and he shoots this basketball on a high arcing parabola, which will increase the chances of it going into the hoop. Now you see, if he shoots a bullet shot, which will maybe hit the backboard and go in, but that will reduce the odds that it will actually go in the hoop. Because if you see, if it's on a quantum plane, it reduces the risk of it going in because it will make the hoop more of an ellipse, and the ball is not that big.
Didn't you play basketball in your younger days?
Well, yes, I did.
I didn't understand anything you just said, so can you show me on the basketball court?
Well, yes, I can. Let's go there now.
Okay.
I'm here at the Parks and Rec Center with Landon and Dr. Hoy to demonstrate how parabola affects your basketball shot.
See, Landon didn't make a shot because he didn't have any arc on it, which is where the parabola comes in. If you want to make a shot, you gotta have an arc on it.
In conclusion, math's an important part of basketball. You have to factor it in to make your shots.
Parabola. Oh!